Okay, Panasonic has just announced 27 new camera models. Too many to do in this, but look, this is the highlight of the day. It is the first consumer 3D camcorder available in Australia mid-September, and that's the ringleader, so I've got to get this in. It's a 2D camera. It's the SDT750, but here on the front is a 3D unit that screws in. It gives it a fixed focus of 35 millimeters, and this is a full high definition 3 CMOS camera. I mean, fantastic picture. And here is the picture. This is material shot just yesterday. Of course, you need 3D glasses to see it, and it looks amazing when you can see it. It really does. So this camera released mid-September, $1,999. There you go.